there guys, Eric here from the Alpines. I know I haven't been on for a while now, I haven't been vlogging. It's just been so hectic. I've been busy with the plans at the plot, the house that I'm intending to build, and there I'm going to keep you absolutely updated. There's so much has happened, I knocked my teeth completely out. A bit embarrassed to talk here, but nevertheless, today we have gale force winds. I don't have electricity at the moment, so it's a little bit dark, so sorry for the bad lighting. I've already made a video and I just want to show you that now of what exactly happened here on the farm. We lost two of the chicken tractors. They blew up. One is sitting against my bonsai fence there. The chickens, the layer chickens, their roof is blown off. Lost a massive branch outside here and other little bits of damage around. Nevertheless, let's have a look at that video now quickly. Okay guys, thanks for watching, thanks for keeping in touch, and I promise you I'll be videoing very soon again. Cheers, go well.